Do not forget to write your name sa inyong material, ha? Sige. Sige. Start. Yeah, sige.
Good morning, student. Today we will be reading some words. Play, kite, park, shine.
Sige. Let's not continue anymore. So once it's already done, what will happen next?
I'll try to
Okay. So once you have done reading the words, what will you do next?
This poem is called I See, I Hear, I Feel. As I play the kite at the park, I see the sun shine in the blue sky.
So they will just be reading the booklet, but they will not be using those words.
This one, teach, ang kanina words is
Yeah. Are they not gonna be manipulating that?
Dili na teach.
Or when you read the booklet, you would say play. Yeah, can you get the word play in the list?
Ang ako red teach is ang recognition is same sa
Oh, that's right. How will you reinforce the idea? Kaya na mo yun kay mga words dira.
At first teach, that was my first thought na mag-double this na with this one and then another would be gonna be
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. When I made this one teach is dili siya mo fit teach pa
Pero maski na dili siya mo fit, you can always ask the child, can you read this word and find it here in this list of words, di ba? Kaya naman diha, imo mangi color code, right? So maybe when you color code it, you can always reinforce the thought of what word is this? Unsa kay ng word na diha sa imong second page?
sun shine teach.
Like shine. Can you look for shine word in this list? Much better because sayang man ang imong siyang ipa-read ana niya, wala lang di siya gamit incorporating to your booklet. The idea is already very good. Ang ako alam unta is that you make use of those words that you have already separated. Another, perhaps you can make the one that you have mentioned but dili daw masud. Enlarge your kanang booklet para masud siya.
As
Diba?
okay siya teach even if it's blue signs.
Oh, wala rin problema yun. Ang imo nga lang is the way that the words can be reinforced in terms of how they understand and pronounce those words. Naman ang atong intention dira.
Yeah,
Diba?
that was in my evaluation and teaching. Trace the one the booklet na all the format ang namin yung words ang 4 to 5 letter words na.
They will write it.
They will choose.
Yes, that's better even because the degree of difficulty now has already increased. Muna siyang idea that we have to think about some innovative ways to make the child really understand the Blue Series and kana able to hear, read, and write at the same time. Okay? Sige, next. Who's next? Unsa ni nga material?
Objects and labels.
Okay.
Shell.
Sa ubos siya dapat mo i-break. Yes. Okay. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay.
Shell.
Okay.
Rat.
Okay.
Stem.
Okay.
Shell.
Okay. Okay, sige. I already understand that. Your control of error, if you have one, what will be your
The
control of error?
teacher miss.
Okay, the teacher. Another way of doing the control of error. What other ways do you have that you can think rather that can be aside from the teacher that can be used as your control of error?
I can have a copy
Okay.
of the label
Okay.
and beside it would be
Okay.
the picture.
Okay. Extension lesson if you can think of one.
I would have the child add an adjective to the provided
yeah.
word.
Okay, good. Okay, next. Who's next?
Word tag.
Word tags.
Ay, salamat.
Okay. Child is right-handed, right?
Yes,
Okay.
To
Yeah,
wig.
duol man tayo na ni mo.
To wig. Bush.
When you demonstrate your picture card, do not put your picture card on your palm. Always, yes.
Nest. To wig. To wig. Bush. Bush. Nest.
Okay.
Nest.
Do you have a control of error?
Yes, teach.
So how will you let the child know kung it's time for them to see if it's correct or not? Saan man yung pag-introduce?
After they have already used the chords na, kay I have kanang two categories. Like first, akong introduce kay ang things, and the other ones are animals. After sa things na ilang na ano kay I'll then lay out this also the animals, and then also
Corresponding words.
Yes.
Then afterwards,
after that after that I will ask the child if they want to see if their answer is correct
okay,
by the
so
control card.
yeah, but how will you show it to the child? Diba you said you will ask the child if you want to know you have done it correctly. Saan man nimo? Itono lang na nimo?
I will place it here.
Okay.
And then check if the corresponding words and picture are matched.
Sige. Extension lesson if you have one.
My extension lesson would be, since there are two categories man teach kay I would like the child to categorize it into two if the picture it shown is a living thing or a non-living thing.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Kung material teach is picture and word math.
Picture and
Word.
Sige.
This is a crow. 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 Then this is a wolf.
Okay.
So kung i-introduce na ako.
Yes.
Next, if na-introduce na tanan, sa word na dayon. So, crow. K-R-O-W. Crow. Isa. Then, ako i-ask ang child if ganahan siya sa multiple activity man. Ganahan siya. Same ba gahapon?
Okay. So once everything is already there, what is your control of error? Wait lang yun. Okay, that's your control of error. How will you show that to the child? Or how will you say that it's time for us to check your work? Saman, is that how it is?
If paano siya, maman niya,
Okay.
match tanan yan. Check na nato if sakto ba yung gibuhat. Kuha lang ka ang control card, tagsa-tagsa on check. First, ang flow. Okay, let's see if your answers is correct.
Or you can actually just give that one and then ask her, let's see if you have done it correctly. Can you check your work?
Pwede na sila.
Do you have any extension lesson?
Advantage. Since akong mga words hindi teach kay nag-end ka ng consonant o vowel, ako ipa-categorize niya ako. Ako ipatundo niya kung asa ang animals nga nag-end of ka ng kuan. Vowels o consonant.
Okay. How will you tell that to the child? So you will be asking the
Okay.
child to find.
Find the words or the animals that ends with
Oh yeah. How do they know if sakto ilang gibuhat?
magkuan ko teach. Kanang familiar naman sila sa consonant o vowel kay human naman sila sa thesis.
Yeah.
Na-master na nila ang kuan.
Assuming na master nila.
Assuming, oh.
Sige, unya.
Then,
You will just ask them right away. Yeah. How will you, kinsa may sulti nila na sakto ba ilang gibuhat? Ikaw lang. Okay, next. Dynamic word. Booklet.
ayos sa pangalan ko ay,
naman ang child. Okay. Show that to the child. Tinang, ipagputong sa iya ha. Ang booklet. Yes, better.
So, one teach kaya ako sa pronouncing words and then pinapit and then pronouncing the words.
Sige, try, demonstrate it to me.
Ants. Ants. Worm.
Whoop.
Worm.
Sige. How can you somehow give a child a variation aside from hearing the words? How can you reinforce the idea that the child can now understand the word, how it sounds, and how it is gonna be written? Saan man na nimo pag-reinforce?
Kung teach, pwede na ko siya i-create of kanang sentence using the words teach. Like sa ants can you
So it's cognitive because they will somehow remember those words. But how about writing? How can remember how when the child is able now to hear the word and can hear the sounds of the word, no, of the word, then later on you would want the child to understand the construction of the word. Imo siyang tagang exercises, no, para dili mabiyaan ang writing capacity. So sa kana nimo, saon man na nimo pag reinforce sa writing capability of the child.
kung teach naapay ka ng other katong kanang i-trace ka teach like mag-make ko o kanang printed out nga kanang i-trace ang ants using kanang trace lines o katong dots.
Extension lesson that you can think about?
Kung teach kanang first kay it has actually 3 booklets. So sa first booklet kay has 3 to 4 na kanang flip kanang mga pages, and then the other booklet will be 4 to 5 and the last booklet will be 5
So,
to
ang
6.
imuha lang is the degree of difficulty because of the number of consonant and verbs there. Okay. But in terms of wanting the child, letting the child learn another concept, kana ang degree of difficulty naman is increasing, but yet it's still about Blue Series. What can you do so that the child can learn something out of those 3 booklets that you have?
I have 2 options teach. One is katong create any sentence using the words, and by the one booklet they would create a story sa storytelling sa booklet, which is inside the booklet.
So they will just be uttering the story, construct a story. Sige, next.
Ako introduce first sa students ang all my quantity.
Sige, demonstrate palihog.
So I will introduce first the to students my picture cards teach. So ground, grass, club, clay, plum, plant, plug, grub, and cliff. G, R, A, grass.
So you will just putting that on the side,
Yes, teach.
not below.
Side or below teach.
Okay. So in one demonstration, you will give all those words?
Sa kaning teach sa kaning nga cards, pero like ang kaning name kay name word stitch kay ang students ang mo kuan ang iba do sa nako sa students.
So you will ask the child to read the
Read the
card?
naming cards and place under the kuan or side of that.
Okay. How does the child knows that what she is matching is correct?
I have kuan man sa teach. I have control of cards.
So naa kay static card.
Yes, teach na may static cards.
So how will you show that to the child then? If you have a static card and they will be identifying the name card to the corresponding picture card. And then how will you introduce your control card when in fact you're not showing to the child classified cards material? Okay, this is another way of presenting the Blue Series man as what you have mentioned. The name of your material is printing reading list.
Kuan sa teach. This my control cards kay also my control of error naman sa teach.
Yeah, that's why. How will you introduce that? So, ako man mo na siya pag-integrate sa imong presentation na once the child has already put the name cards to its corresponding picture card. So,
After nila kuan teach. After nila mo answer and kuan kay ay ako man tong grade first then ako silang gipado so after nila kuan teach kay ako na integrate nila ang akong kuan.
that's why, how man, how? Show it to me.
So this is the clay. Y. So clay.
So, mo pronounce kay hapon ka sa words. Ingon mo
Yes.
ka na control card na so that the child will know that she has done the matching correctly. Diba mo na imong control card,
Yes.
diba? So, imo pa dahil siyang i-pronounce na iyahan namang na-pronounce dito. Unya, ang imong purpose for it is to show to the child kung sakto ba iyang na-match. Oh. So, unsa man na nimo pag-introduce na material. Unsa man na nimo pag-insert sa material knowing it's a control card. It's a control of error card.
I-show na ko nila teach if sakto ba ilang pag
That's why, unsa man nimo pagsulti.
akong i-read ang kaning quantity name and the ako kuan ang picture in
Pero di ba, na-match naman na nimo friends, di ba? When they are matching the word card, ila man tong i-utter ang words, di ba?
Yes.
Ila mang i-read ang words. Karon, since they have already matched the word card and the picture card, they wanted to know, or I wanted to know as a teacher, if they would like to also know if they have done it correctly. So, mo man na imong control card, which is considered as your control of error. Kung saan man na mo pagpakita nila mo, ingon day ka, okay, let's read this. Mura na sad na siya part sa imuhang demonstration. Ang purpose man nimo ana is that is considered as a control card. Sakto ko. Sige. Kung saan man na nimo pag-integrate na, it will consider as your control card. Kay control card naman na nimo siya. Dili man siya material na mingon ka, okay, let's read this again. Dili naman, di ba kay manaman kagsulti nila, manaman og pronounce sa words ganina by putting the name cards to its corresponding picture card. This time, you said that that card is considered as your control of error. So, unsa gali ng control of error? Self-correcting feature so that the child would know, ay, sakto din ni akong gimatch, sakto din ni akong gibutang diri. Unsa man nimo pag-ingon sa bata? Gibuhat na to nila sa una, bago lang. Gibuhat na to ni Abby, gibuhat na to ni sa paggali to ni Santino, ni Angela, sa man Abby. Sa man Abby, sa man Fritz.
kuan teach. Um,
Ano? Saan?
ibutang sa nako sa corresponding o gasang ang kuan.
Mo lagi pero ang child man ang dapat makahibaw kung sakto ba iyang gibuhat, dili man ikaw. So imo na siyang ipakita sa child sakto.
Yes.
Kay control of error man na nimo siya. So unsaon man na nimo pag ingon sa bata, ay kay na maingon ka, okay, let's read this again. Dili man kay control of error man na nimo, di naman na siya part sa imong material as a demonstration material. Ang gamit nimo ana kay control card naman na nimo or control of error card. So, self-correcting man ang control of error, no. Gusto ka na kaning butang nga makahibaw ang bata na sakto iyang gibuhat. Unsaon man na nimo pagsulti sa bata, maingon di ka na, okay, let's read this. Dili naman siya part kay control of error naman na nimo na card.
Ako ipakuan niya teach. Ako i-show din pa-compare if sakto ba yung kuan. Trees.
Trace?
Ay kaning pagkuan teach. Put sa mga
Okay, so imong ingnon ang bata. So, okay, would you want to know if you have done it correctly? I'll give you this card and try to look at it. Kana ra gyud akong ipangayo, Fritz. Dili na siya mahimong laing part sa material kay control of error man na nimo, niingon ka control of error na nimo. Di man na siya classified cards used as a classified cards. Wala. Diba you said this is a printing reading list. So di na siya classified card, although it is a classified cards na material, but you will be using it in a different way. Sakto? Kana lang gyud akong ipangayo, Fritz. Extension lesson.
naming the quantity without picture support, with naming the words without picture support, and also sorting the first two letters na reading list,
Unsa to? Blending.
blending the reading list is like the GR
Oo.
and kaning other kaning C
So they will be combining all the blending words unsay nag-start
sa mga
first.
first two letters.
Okay, sige. That's fine. Make sure that your sentences are near the child, no?
Yes.
Imong child o nasa imong left.
Try to arrange all your containers. Wag na. Dili na ganyan siya Montessori. Okay.
The frog hops on the rock.
Wait. So when you demonstrate your phonetic sentences and objects, you will be demonstrating all of them at the same time. Dili one card at a time.
Yes, teach ako like i-action mo na.
Yeah, but all of those two other sentences will also be presented at the same time.
Yes, teach.
Yeah, what if the child will look at the other items? Dili na siya makafascinate sa frog, ganun. Tanaw na siya anong flag baron o tanang sand na naa sa imong container. What's the intention here when you present all of them all together?
Since like na naman ko sa like difficult part teach, like sa glossaries teach kay sa'yo naman to ilang katong ilang just ka teach na. So like to make it more complicated, teach kay ako lang i-line like daan sa
Yeah, what if the child gets to look at those items na looking at the frog lagi the first sentence that you have? What if? Imo nang present, but I don't dare look at the frog because I'm fascinated with the container with the soil, and I will use that stick to, steer your container. Mo bitaw tong first sad ang akong gi-ask si Fritz. Would you mean that you will be displaying all of them? Yeah, sa giingon kay ang degree of difficulty. Okay. Okay ra to. Pero what if mo happen gyud? I will not, but the child will not look at your first sentence, but rather the third sentence. Kaya naana imong remember, the objects fascinates the child. Kana gyud ang butang gyud ay mo-fascinate sila. Kanang sentences, they don't mind it.
Koan teach,
I will what?
kanang ikaw
Nga naman, dili day pwede na i-present siya one sentence at a time. Para lang nako to be safe. Kay, remember, when the objects are there, magkagubot gyud ta. Mobitaw na ang mga bata, they don't hardly look at the labels yet. They look at the items that they can grasp. And remember, those items that you have are tangible things. No? They will really, like, kung ako, na ko naghunaw sa flag, akong gihunaw katong flag. Because the flag is very familiar to me. It's a Philippine flag. So, makaingon ko na, cute sa dani. So, ma-fascinate ko, dili na nako na makita ng uban. Diba?
if ever teach kay like ana ang child teach
Mm.
pwede ra sa ako like yun.
Okay. Maybe you can have all the three sentences
Yeah.
if you have a very advanced child.
Yes,
That
teach.
who really needs, who's really fascinated not only the objects, but the sentences itself. That can
Yes.
be fine. Kaya ma-concern gid ko, you know why? Because objects are the very first initial part of the presentation of the Pink series. Remember? Object with sandpaper letter. Object with movable alphabet. Mo gid siya ang pinakauna muna. When you have your sentences, okay naman, may problema. That's really something fascinating. But ang ako lang is the manner when you will be displaying and presenting it. Sure gyud ko, ma-fascinate gyud ang mga bata na.
Yes, teach. If like depende lang guro teach if ang bata kay like kanang curious jud kaayo.
Mo gani, mo na akong concern kay basin ang emphasis of reading the sentences might not already be targeted because the object itself fascinates them. So, mas maayo for me lang para sa ako most especially if the child kana bitang lihok na bata or dili kay ang type na concentrated kay. Or you can either take away the objects and slowly give it to them. The sentences are there, but you slowly get the objects once you will already read the sentence. That can be another option. Okay, sige.
The frog hops on the rock.
Okay.
The crab hides in the sand.
Okay. Wala pa Just hiding pagod. Malingaw jud kay ang bata. So the more, most especially if you really would have a bigger container when the crab would really be hiding. No?
Yes.
Kanang ma-fascinate yun ang bata na kay naaman siya yung action and command. No? Okay, sige.
The flag is on the stick.
Mana? Sige. How about your extension lesson? Sama niyo may extension lesson.
My extension lesson teach would be peer teaching teach.
Peer teaching? Kung sama na ang peer teaching unit? Kung sama niyo may pasabot sa peer teaching?
Like na-demo naman ako ng teach so that like, sa ang child makabaw na dito sa ang buhaton. So ang buhaton na na-teach kay bali like pair sila teach child to child, yang child mo teach so sa ka-child yan i-demo.
But that's another variation, another way of you presenting it. But extension is another concept man using those materials that you have.
Another thing teach is like kaon ra ang objects teach disregard na niya ang sentence cards and then like want to me og like prepared environment and then I will let the child like do kanang magkuan sila teacher, for example ang frog kay muan na sila sa shelf, so like na sila bagong sentence nga makuan na the frog hops on the shelf.
Okay. Do you have a control of error?
Yes, teach. The teacher teach, and I also have here the control cards.
Asa man yung
I just like printed it out. This one teach, and then ako rin ang teach.
Okay.
Nabali siya teach.
Kami nabalibitaw, nabali.
Sorry teacher.
Nabali na, naduol,
Oh,
napadung dito ang ano.
Pero ani din na siya teach. Paano?
Yeah, because
So,
it should be the same. Okay,
Ah.
that's the... Or pwede man sa nani mo ikat para.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Next.
Ay,
Name of
ang
your
ako
material.
ang phonetic sentences and picture stitch.
Okay, similar to Penelope,
Yes.
pictures line mo ha.
So first stage kay ako pa ipa-identify sa child kung unsay naa sa picture. So I will ask him or her like, do you know what this is? Maana siya nga. It's a dog digging. Yeah. Ako ibutang nila teach. So let's assume na lang teach nga na
Nabutang na
identify
niya.
yes teach. Then, so I have sentences here. So let's read it first. The cat can run fast. The cat can run fast. Can you connect this sentence to the picture? The rabbit can jump up high. The rabbit can jump up high.
Okay. Once the child has already placed all those corresponding sentences beside the photo or the picture, what will you do?
So kana ako sila ipakita aning control of error, control of error, control of
which
error.
is considered as your control of error.
Yes, teach.
So how will you introduce that? Okay, dili naman na siya part sa imong demo, di ba?
Yes,
It's already your assessment ending part, no? Letting the child know kung sakto pa siya iyang gibuhat or kung sa unsaon man ang iyong pamilya.
Kanang akong ihatag sa child teach niya. Siya mo kuan.
Kung tanaw kung sakto ba. or
Yes,
dili.
teach.
Sige. What if kung masayop niya o butang isa? Sa may tabo. Sayop niya ma-match ba?
Ma-match teach. Kuan teach kanang ako siyang i-guide.
Imong
Balik.
guide ang bata.
Yes, teach.
Unsaon nimo pag-guide niya sa man imo siyang i-repeat.
Yes, teach.
Extension lesson.
Extension lesson na ko teach kay kanang role play the sentence. So bali kanang ako siyang ipa-act sa kung unsay nasa sentence kay as you can see here sa akong mga sentence teach kay murag na siya action word gani teach. So let's say maana ko niya, okay, can you jump up high like a rabbit? Jump.
Okay, very good.